Hi, I'm Ray. Well, I'm in the Polytunnel today and it is Friday the 12th and it's 16 degrees and it's really warm down the allotment. I'm in the Polytunnel and it's baking hot, but I'm clearing the plot and making room, just giving it a tidy, giving it a good old clean up. But I thought I'd harvest some potatoes. I planted some potatoes in April and I did it in my no-dig bed in the Polytunnel. So I'm just going to harvest a few. So let me show you what we got. So this is my no-dig potato bed. We planted 2 rows across. And we either did Nicola or Maris Piper. It could have been Charlotte, but I'm not quite sure. It might well have been Charlotte out here. But anyway, there we go. You can see some of them are appeared on top and they're green, which are not very good. A couple have been eaten. So just a few on the top is a good sign. So let's dig in a bit. I'm not quite sure where the potato lines were. I think we did 2 lines. The grape gone a bit mad. Could be another. There we go, here's some. And it is helpful to know where you actually planted them. So there's one hole there. I think there's one hole there. One hole there. There we go. This is no dig in the Polytunnel. And we're getting a good few potatoes. There we go. A few tiddlers. Not sure we did any this far back. Yeah, we did, look. There we go. Another one. They're getting quite deep. I like getting my hands in. There we go, look. These do look like Charlottes. There we go, nice. There's some more. There we are. A few green ones because they've been on top. There we go. Still keep finding them. I think that's pretty much it. There we are. Well, there we go. There's a harvest of potatoes. There's a couple of bad ones. A couple of green ones, but not too bad from a no-dig bed. So have you still got any potatoes in the ground? I've still got some in the allotment patch, which I might dig up over the weekend and give that a clear. And if so, which potatoes did you grow? Did you have a good harvest? And let me know if you've done a no-dig potato crop. That'd be great. And what did you sow? So at least we've got a few potatoes for tea tonight, and that's great. So leave me a comment, and if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. So cheers.